snake? They do.
Yeah, it's a bunch of smoke.
Yeah!
Yeah, fire colors.
Yeah.
Here, put on this. Oh, this is the epileptic seizure. So much freaking smoke.
They're smoking crack.
Let's see this one. Was this epileptic? No, this was an epileptic seizure. Sorry. What?
That was stinky.
That was a dud.
That one's stanky.
Oh, it does smell bad. Oh.
These are supposed to stand up? Oh, you're right.
Here, just throw a couple. Wait, let me give you more.
Hold on.
Is that a sparkler?
No. It's a rainbow flame.
Rainbow flavor.
No, that should be it.
Okay, look. It's right here. No, wait, that should be it.
Where? On your right.
No, this one.
Huh?
And oh, is that it? No. There's one here. Put.
Hang on, I'm gonna try to put it right side up. Hold on, okay.
No!
There.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, shut up.
That was so awesome.
That was...
No, like this one.
Wait. Just to be sanitary.
Sanitary. When did you ever care about sanitary? Here, put this one on too.
You never washed your hands, you picked a booger.
Whatever. You don't even know that definition. Shut your face. Put on that one. Put on two. No, you didn't.
I thought I did.
Oh.
Really, baby?
So that was a different color. See? That's good.
Wait, to be safe.
Put on the sparklers.
That's it?
Can't be all of it.